Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm here with my March Boxycharm unboxing. So sorry it's so late in the month. There was a holdup with the Boxycharm box. I don't know if it was just mine or if it was everyone's, but it didn't ship till like halfway through the month. So I'm just now receiving it. I just received it like Friday, and I'm filming this on Sunday. So I apologize that this is up so late. Normally I'm pretty good at having it up pretty early, but things happen. It's understandable. But this is my box. It's very pink. And the theme this month is La Vienne Rose. I probably butchered that, but this is what it looks like. I really like this card. It's super pretty. I don't know, I might just hang this up as like a little poster in my room or something. I don't know, I really like it. Alright, so let's just get started. The first thing I see in here is some brushes, which I'm really excited about. So these are the, the Moda brushes, and it's the powder and soft glow kit. So let's open it up. And these retail for $29.99. Ooh, they're so pink. I've never tried this brand of brushes, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. So I'm excited to give them a try. And I don't have a highlighting brush, so I'm excited to try it. Ooh. These are so pretty. And they're super soft. I really like the feel of these. These are super soft. Nice. I was needing a new powder brush. Mine's starting to fall apart. I'm excited about those. I have no room. I have things everywhere. I'm filming like 6 videos at once, so. Alright, what's next? So this is from Wonder Beauty, and it's the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and this retails for $34. This is what it looks like. The only thing I've used from this brand are the, I have it here from my last video, the Baggage Claim eye masks, and I love these, so I'm hoping I really like this too. I want to smell it. Is it, oh, it's got a safety seal. I can't smell anything. It says it has blueberries, green tea leaf, mangosteen, and a bunch of other things that I can't pronounce. It's rose gold. Ooh. It's supposed to minimize the appearance of large pores and remove excess oil and impurities. Nice. I'm excited to try that. Alright, then we have, ooh, a mascara. So this is from Manna Kadar, and it's their blue mascara. And this retails for $29. First of all, I love the packaging. This is the coolest, like, design I've ever seen, I think. I'm not going to open it. I was going to, but I'm not going to. I have a bunch of mascaras that I need to be, like, trying and stuff. So I don't want to open it and it start drying out before I get to it. So, alright. Next, from Ofra. We use a lot of Ofra at school. We have the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this retails for $20. And it's in the color Monaco, which is a super pretty, like, rose gold pink. I love the smell of all their lipsticks. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is a really pretty shade for, like, spring. I love that. I'm excited to play around with this lipstick. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's being weird today. And then the last thing we have is from Cover FX, and it's their Perfector Face Palette, and this retails for $45. What? Oh, there's like a coating on the mirror. Okay. I was like, why is it so foggy? I'm not going to swatch all these, but this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from Cover FX, so I'm really excited to. It's so pretty. I want to swatch like one of the highlighters. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Highlighters are my weakness, guys. I'll swatch the highlighters just because I'm curious. These are so pretty. I love these. I'm really excited to play with these. Like, really excited. Like, I'm stoked. Yeah. I'm really happy with this month's box. I wasn't really... Was it last month's I wasn't really happy with? I forget which one. I wasn't really happy with the stuff I got. But I stuck with it, and I'm really happy I did because I'm loving everything that I see so far. Of course, pink's my favorite color, so that's a plus. Everything's pink. But, yeah, I'm going to end this here. I can't even express how excited I am about all this stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And, yeah, let me know if you guys got, like, if you guys like anything in your Boxycharm box or any of your subscription boxes, what your favorite product is you received this month. I think out of everything I received, my favorite product is probably the palette. But I really like everything, honestly. Like, I'm super happy with everything. If you guys want to see me try any of these products, let me know in the description or the comments down below, and I'll leave a link if you guys want to get your own Boxycharm box. And I think that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.